Best movie, Hintay Ka sa Langit. Hindi talaga sabi. Ano nga yun?
Best movie.
Miguelito.
Kailangan kita.
Best role you played.
Best role I played, The House. I was psychomaniac there.
Ooh.
Yeah, psychopath.
Very cool, very cool.
Ako, para ganito sa aking mga kamay.
Nice, nice.
Ang gusto namin, bad trip.
Love it.
Ganda na katawan namin na. Panoorin lang. Panoorin na yung pelikula ulit, Tristan. Makikita niyo yung... Diba?
Ibabalik. Oh, besides Lucy and Charlene, who are your favorite leading ladies?
Oh, favorite leading ladies, of course, Don Zuleta and Bella.
Love it.
Parang lahat sila.
Lahat.
Lahat sila.
What a lovely answer.
Lahat sila. Madami.
Madami na actually, maraming leading ladies talaga.
Mahirap.
Difficult to
By
choose.
category,
Oh,
by age.
Lahat sila parang. Meron personal, meron personal.
Yon!
Oh!
Oh, but we know the person.
Ay, hindi.
Ay, hindi. Next question. Which part of your body are you most proud of?
Siguro my legs.
Legs.
Yeah.
Wala.
Ah,
Wala. Parang, I've always, parang siguro na mula kasi parang, yung pagiging payat ko dati, tsaka yung masal ko talaga, was never natural. Talagang always parang pinipilit mo. Kaya nung medyo semi-retire ako, talagang tumigil ako sa diet, sa workout, sa mga hindi ako naturally fit. Kumbaga,
Right.
medyo chubby ako doon. Talagang siguro.
but now, I would say, proud of your body because it's working so hard.
I'm so happy with myself now.
Yes.
There's no insecurity sa akin. Right now, I'm happy where I am. And I'm happy and excited where I will be.
Yes, I love that one. Next question. What is the best thing about your wife?
The best thing about my wife is she cares for me and she loves me.
No.
Yes.
Love it. Best thing about your wife?
Everything about her. The best thing about my wife. My wife is my apple. My apple. Wala ako ngayon. This is for me now. Because I have my wife there.
Support systems are so important.
Sobra yan.
Super.
At pas lang.
Workout question. Push day or pull day?
What?
Push or pull day?
Push.
Push. What is one life lesson you want to pass on to your kids?
One line.
Life lesson.
One life lesson is always to. Well, I always tell Julia and my daughter to, when you have to do something, always give your best.
Yes.
Para wala regrets.
Tama.
Always give your best.
Always give your best para walang regrets.
Yes.
Right.
Mine was always been, I've always been open about it. It's just to be kindness. Just be kind to people always.
Love that.
Be fun, be nice, be happy.
I love that.
And everyone around you is the same.
Okay, I like that. What's the best thing about your co-ambassador?
Oh, such a nice guy. That's one of the pinakamabait na naliliman in the industry. Really, even kami aga, yung pinagmulan namin na Nadia si Douglas. And even Douglas yan sa akin yan, even when he was mabait talaga yan. And up to now, he's really nice. He's really one of the best guys in the industry. Big round of applause for Aga, please. Come on.
Thank you very much.
Oh, it's your turn.
I've always si Goma talaga, I've always looked up to him. You know? So he's always been, he doesn't know this, but he's always been an inspiration sa akin. Sa pagiging artista ko in the 90s, you know, his prime, tinitignan pala niya parang galing.
Gago to, Goma, gago to.
No, but you've always been an inspiration sa akin. Sa mga
ginagawa mo sa mga, like yung mga coffee beans mo, your sports, you being an athlete and like that. And galing, may mahusay na tao. Tapos si Ricky parang, parang ano ka born leader ka talaga. Si Gomo loves to lead talaga. So sinabi ko nga sa kanya, Gomes, happy ako ngayon na nasa politics ka, pinagtrabahuhan mo talaga yan. If I may say this, naging mayor ka, ngayon nasa Congress ka. Sabi ko, hawak mo na yan. Sabi ko, ituloy mo lang. Talagang mahalin mo lang yung tao. Nung artista tayo, mahal na mahal tayo ng tao at minahali natin sila. Ngayon, nung nandiyan ka nakapwesto ka, mas mahalin mo pa sila.
Thank you, thank you.
So I just wish you all the best. Thank you. Tuloy-tuloy na yan. I mean, ginawa nila sa Ormoc talaga. Kita-kita naman Hindi ko sinasabi ito, but mahal sila talaga Si Lucy, bagay talaga. Bagay si Lucy, Goma, sa Congress. One day, someday soon, you never know sa Senate. Kasi, hindi sila pumapasok dyan. Sasabihin ko to, hindi sila pumapasok dyan dahil kung ano mang rason. Gusto nilang ayusin talaga. Pagandahin, kung ibigay sa tao talaga yung dapat. Yun ang nakikita ko talaga.
Thank you so much, thank you.
And for our
I love you, bro.
I love you!
I feel it. It's so nice.
I love you too.
I thank you.
Oo nga, no?
I love you. Thank you.
I love that
Thank you,
too.
thank you.
And for our last question, fill in the blanks. I am your Century Tuna's ambassador, and I will blank.
I will eat lots and lots of Century Tuna.
Yes. I am your Century Tuna's ambassador, and I will blank.
And I will show you next year. I will not speak.
A round of applause, guys.
I will be like Mario. I'm not a free word.
Thank you so much for doing this little
Well,
quick
thank
talk
you so much.
segment.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.